Great institutions are shaped not merely by the infrastructure but by the strong industry partnership and vibrant alumni legacy. The conclave is in a collaboration with esteemed channel partner National Institute of Personnel Management.
This initiative is designed to create a meaningful platform where industry leaders, HR professionals, alumnus, academic experts can come together to exchange ideas, discuss emerging industry trends, and strengthen the bond between academia and industry. Through this meet, we aim to foster partnership that encourages innovation, skill development, and talent engagement.
Dear MITians, we warmly invite you to be a part of this meaningful dialogue.
We are excited to welcome esteemed dignitaries, our alumnus, our recruiters, and professionals from diverse sectors for an evening filled with insightful interaction, knowledge sharing, and networking. We look forward to your gracious presence on 22nd of May 2026 at Taj MG Road, Bengaluru.
Join us, engage with us, help us shape the future together.